What's going on, y'all? It's Dewan. It is Friday. Happy Friday to you guys out there. I hope you had a productive week, and I hope you plan to enjoy your weekend. It has been scorching hot here in the U.S. for the last, really this entire week, as summer has kicked in full gear. They're saying that these are some of the hottest days that we've experienced these past few days on record on Earth. So I'm not too sure how they're able to measure that. Again, who was around millions and millions of years? I guess maybe if they refer to the Ice Age and how the Earth is slowly warming over time, if you use that theory. But I don't know if we can really verify any given day that it wasn't hotter than it has been the past few days. So, but anyways, we're going to get into this video. I want to talk about how AI will underpin. AI will be an integral part of infrastructure and how we live our day-to-day lives. I think a lot of us can agree to that, but now we're seeing that there is integration of cryptocurrency payments, more specifically Bitcoin. So ChatGPT is now offering the ability to use a plugin that has been developed by Lightning Labs in order to make a Bitcoin payment. This is really big. So before we get into it, if you are a Bitcoin hodler or you are participating in the Bitcoin network, if you need a nice cold storage wallet to keep your Bitcoin secure from centralized exchanges, check out the link down below to the coinkite.com. It is a store where there's different varieties of hardware for your Bitcoin needs. Check out CoinKite. They have a great cold card wallet, and that cold card wallet is open source. So check it out. Also, if you want to trade, buy, or sell Bitcoin peer-to-peer, no KYC, check out HODL down in the description below, hodl.com. Let's get into it. So the weather shifted a little bit. It was a hot day. Now we got overcast, may get a little bit of rain. So we'll get this under 10. So it's now out that Lightning Labs has developed a plugin for ChatGPT. ChatGPT is awesome. There's a lot of usefulness that I find with ChatGPT. And so I think ChatGPT at one point was so oversubscribed, if you will, like so many users that it was even difficult to use ChatGPT. So as it's going to grow and it has so much more upside to it, a nice form of payment that can be used, a form of payment, ChatGPT can be commanded to pay in Bitcoin through a plugin that's available now. So I think that's pretty dope, and I think that you gotta understand that the utility, right? You gotta understand the market, okay? So the market for Bitcoin as a secure network, a secure form of payment, and with Lightning Network to offer near instant payments, you have to see that it is virtually needed if it's going to be if AI is going to be making payments. Okay, what plugin is there for a bank, right? To hook up a banking account to your AI? Who would do that? That's crazy, right? You're not going to want them to trust AI to do ACH payments for you, even though they probably will in the future. You're not going to want to hook them up to your PayPal account, even though they may offer that in the future. PayPal may offer their own AI API or something. But you understand that it's still under banking regulation. There's still going to be a level of, I would say, like too much transparency, where, sending a simple payment through AI, I think is going to be more efficient. And it's going to be more beneficial to the everyday user. So I think that's dope. I'm watching carefully how Bitcoin will be continued to be integrated into AI as a secure form of payment, right? So also I want to talk about the recently, right? Bank of America has increased their dividend payment. I think I heard about they increased it by 9%. So they're showing that the large banks have some strength still, some of them, and I think that's crucial to point out, because when you're adopting this way to get financial freedom, financial wealth, you want to choose banks in order, because we still have to cover our daily expenses. We still have to cover our day-to-day living using a bank account. It's just the way it is. So I think it's a good idea to only keep in the bank what you're willing to pay, like as far as bills or immediate expenses and so forth. But it looks like, in my opinion, stuff like Bitcoin is probably the best form of savings technology, best form of money, and the best form of protection from inflation. So that goes without saying. Other news, I really want to quickly just mention that Binance has, I'm seeing Binance in the news, these executives have left the company because of the way CZ, the CEO of Binance, is handling the investigations by the SEC. I guess they don't like what they're seeing behind closed doors and they're jumping ship. This doesn't look good for Binance, and I've said this months ago when I noticed that the US was really targeting Binance with sanctions on withdrawals, and now you see the SEC with these accusations, and and now you see it now that it just seems like there's some legal things underneath the Binance hood that's crumbling apart. People really think that these coins are decentralized, and it's sad because they're following these influencers that are just paid under the table to push the narrative that these cryptocurrencies, these altcoins, majority of them are completely decentralized and can just operate freely on their own, and that's not the case, and you'll find that out in short time. So yes, you'll see how connected the Binance network, the Binance coin is to the Binance company, because the Binance coin did acquire most of its value in 2020 after the smart chain, the only 21 node, very centralized smart chain came out for smart contract development in AI. And most of its value is for the fact that if you hold enough Binance coins, then you'll get a discount on trading fees. And we're seeing that if most of the altcoins, or a lot of these, probably the most popular altcoins that they're trading is considered securities, unregistered securities, that means that that's a lot of US money that's not going to be able to trade, and Binance is not going to be bringing in revenues as they once did. It's just common sense. Check it out, pay attention. I'm going to get out of here. I hope y'all enjoy y'all's Friday. Take care.